Welcome. I thought of starting a special video series for networkers who are struggling with the prospecting process and who are unable to get yes from their prospects, even the prospect is satisfied and interested with your business plan. Why you can't get the yes from your prospector who are getting interested with your business plan? Only reason we have not been able to help them identify why do they need to start the business. We have not been able to identify their reason that they need to start the business and match it with our solution, the business plan or business opportunity. Most of the time what we do as networkers, we are trying to impose a solution on your prospect. Most of the time prospector doesn't know why, what is the exact reason, what is the primary reason or primary motivation factor that they need to start a business, that they need to start a building an income source, additional income source maybe. So what we need to do, we need to identify their reason to start the business, primary motivation factor to start the business. There are 4 steps to do that. In this video series, I am going to describe each of these 4 steps. Today, I am going to discuss only about the first step. Let me introduce these 4 steps that you need to follow to get yes from your potential prospect. Number 1, melt the ice. Number 2, find the hot button. Number 3, press the hot button. Number 4, get the commitment. So I will describe each of these levels to you in this video series, and I will help you to get yes from your prospectors, especially from your potential prospectors who are getting interested with your business presentation. Melt the ice. What does it mean? Usually, people are not ready to share their desires or pains with other people until they feel safe and trust on them. It should be 100% same even for you. Have you ever shared your pains and desires or dreams with the person who are totally strange to you? Not at all. We are not comfortable with that. It is the human psychology. So first, we need to understand our prospect and his mindset is also same. So we need to help them to get familiar with us, them to build the trust on us, and we need to build our rapport on them. How can we do that? It is a very natural process, but most of the networkers are neglecting that and getting into the trap and fail in front of the prospectors who are even getting interested with your business plan. What is that secret? Discuss and build a conversation, an open conversation. How to build a conversation with your prospector? It's very natural. Start talking about yourself, your desires, what you are doing, about your family and your travelings and your education and your occupation if you have anything. With these things, you can ask few questions about him also, and he will start communicating with you. With this conversation, what will happen? He or she will get much comfortable to talk with you. If we can make them comfortable to communicate with us and share their personal details with us. What can we do? We can come up with the solution for their reasons or for their problems that they have in their lives. But until we build this conversation with this open-ended conversation, we cannot identify or get the reasons or get the problems that they have where they need a solution, where they need a business solution or financial solution to overcome that. Without knowing their reason to start a business or build a income source, when we try to impose our solution or business plan on them, they will be interested with the business plan because it is very logical, but they will not feel safe and trust to start this business with us because we have not been able to identify their primary reason and match it with this solution. So build the conversation. You should speak and you should listen. You cannot build a conversation by just talking. You should be a very good listener if you really need to build a effective conversation, interesting conversation with your prospect. Always try to build your rapport on him, which doesn't mean you should always pouring your success and your wealth and your education qualification and everything on them, which means you should share your personal feelings, share your hobbies, share something that you are interested in, sports, maybe politics, or maybe something that you are interested to do in your life, like something like traveling around the world. If that prospect is coming from a certain background, you can discuss something related to that background or that industry. If your prospector is coming from a particular area in your country, you can discuss about that area, that region, with the knowledge that you have. So through these things, you can build up a conversation and make your prospect comfortable to discuss and share things with you. This will help you to build your trust and rapport on your prospect and make him share his personal feelings and desires and pains with you as well. You will be able to build your trust and rapport on your prospect. Once you do that, the next step will help you to identify his hot button. I will describe it in the next video. I hope you will master the first level, first tip with your prospectors. Melt the ice. Don't try to break the ice, just melt the ice. Build a conversation. Conversation means two-way communications. You should speak, you should listen. Your prospect should speak as well. Wish you all the best, and don't forget to subscribe this channel and share this video with your closest people who are interested to grab more knowledge and build this business to a maximum level. Good luck.